Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Election campaign ends in Walpoe. Vishwajit says development in Sattari will make him victorious. BJP confident that mining issue will get their candidate through. Walpoe by-elections preparation completes. 2 CISF companies deployed. Election office to forward the names of 469 unidentified voters in Walpoe to the returning officer. Government scraps T20 event from IFFI 2010. CM says no event management firm for inaugural and closing. Films finalized for Indian Panorama. 1 year after the bomb blast in Madgaon, Sanatan Samstha still firm on their stand. Strict opposition to Narkasur competitions to continue like before. Political interference spoiling the brand Goa campaign. Director of Goa Tourism tells a sad tale at the International Travel Mart. And over in sports, India's success at Commonwealth Games reflects feelings of pride amongst Goans. Prudent Media finds out more. And now the news in detail. Election campaign for Walpoe by-election concluded on Saturday. Vishwajit Rane says people of Walpoe will vote him because of his development work. BJP candidate Santosh Haldankar says that mining issue will help him in winning the seat. Vishwajit has claimed that BJP will lose its deposit in the by-election.
Polling for Walpoe by-election will be held on 18th October. Voting will commence in the morning at 8 a.m. and will end at 5 p.m. Congress candidate Vishwajit is confident of winning Walpoe by-election on his development work.
हांव एकूच विरोधी पक्ष आनी विरोधी पक्षांच्या लिडरांक सांगूंक सोदता की तुमी जाय तशे पत्रकां वाटा, जाय तशे पत्रकां छापा, कांय परिणाम जायना कित्याक प्रत्येक व्यक्तीक गांवांनी वाड्यांनी खबर आसा हांव कसो काम करता आनी कसो काम केल्लें आसा.
BJP candidate Santosh Haldankar had raised the issue of mining during his campaign. Haldankar is also confident of winning the seat by defeating Vishwajit Rane.
वाळपय सध्या पोझिशन अशें आसा साधारण आमी आयज 50% हें क्रॉस केल्लें आसा आनी आमकां आयज विजयाची पक्की खात्री आहा कित्याक आयज हांव प्रत्येक घरान वाळपय मतदारसंघाच्या जितलीं घरां आसा तितल्याय घरांनी आयज म्हाजो पांय लागलेलो आसा. प्रत्येक मतदारा पर्यंत हांव पावल्लो आसा आनी म्हाका सारकी गॅरंटी आसा वाळपयचे लोक म्हाका एक्सेप्ट करतले.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetty with reporter Uday Parab for Prudent Media.
Election office has completed the process for Walpoe by-election. They have identified 469 missing voters in Walpoe to avoid bogus voting. Election office will submit these names to the presiding officer. Election Commission Office has also introduced poll management system for the first time in India. 2 CISF companies are deployed to avoid any untoward incident during elections.
17,920 voters will vote for Walpoe by-election, which will be held on 18th October. 9,107 male and 8,805 female voters will decide the fate of Congress candidate Vishwajit Rane and BJP candidate Santosh Haldankar. Election Commission's office has identified 469 missing voters to avoid bogus voting during by-election.
आमी बोगस वोटिंग जे आसा पळय तेज्या खातीर तें अवॉयड करपा खातीर प्रिजायडींग ऑफिसर जे आसा पळय तांकां सगळीं लिस्टां दिल्लीं आसा. लिस्टां प्रिजनर्स जे आसा पळय तांची डेड वोटर्स, शिफ्टेड वोटर्स ही सगळी लिस्ट दिल्ली आसा. त्यान भायर पयले फावटी आमी पोल मॅनेजमेंट सिस्टम ही प्रत्येक पोलिंग बुथाचेर इंट्रोड्यूस करतले. तातूंत एक तर आयडेंटिफिकेशन बरें जातलें आनी तातूंत बोगस वोटींग जें आसा पळय तें अवॉयड जातलें. आमी 4 पोलिंग स्टेशन्स आसा पळय ज्या जाग्यार 1000 वयर वोटर्स आसलेले तातूंत आमी ऑक्झिलरी पोलिंग स्टेशन्स केल्लीं आसा. ताका लागून एक पोलिंग स्टेशन जें आसा पळय तें 2 पोलिंग स्टेशनांनी वांटलेलें आसा. सो थंय गर्दी कमी जातली वोटरांची.
To avoid any untoward incident, 2 CISF companies have been deployed. ECI has also introduced Braille ballot papers for blind persons for the first time in India.
ब्रेल EVMs आमचे प्रत्येक पोलिंग स्टेशनाचेर आसतली. त्यान भायर ब्रेल बॅलट पेपर जो आसा पळय हो ब्लायंड वोटरा खातीर आमी थंय प्रत्येक पोलिंग स्टेशनाचेर दितले. आमी व्हीलचेअर्स अरेंज केल्ले आसा प्रत्येक पोलिंग स्टेशनाचेर. डिजेबल्ड जे आसा पळय त्या लोकां खातीर. सेक्युरिटी अरेंजमेंट जे आसा पळय त्या बाबतींत आमी CISF 2 कंपनीज ऑलरेडी हांगा डिप्लॉय केल्ले आसा. हे CISF पर्सनल जे आसा पळय ते प्रत्येक पोलिंग स्टेशनाचेर वतले आनी ते सेक्युरिटी मेंटेन करतले.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetty with reporter Uday Parab in Valpoi.
October 16, 2009 is the day when Margaon witnessed terror in the city. It is alleged that the Sanatan Sanstha Sadhaks, following steep opposition to Narkasur competition, tried to conduct this deadly bomb blast in Margaon. It's been a year and the Sanatan Sanstha is still firm on its stand. Virendra Marathe says that they will not stop their opposition to the glorification of Narkasur.
Last year, on the eve of Diwali, Margaon witnessed terror in the city. There was a bomb blast in the heart of the city which moved tremors in the minds of people. Initially, people were anxious to know what was happening. It is alleged that the Sadhaks of Sanatan Sanstha are behind the bomb blast. It is also alleged that the bomb blast was a result of bitter opposition to Narkasur competitions. Even after so much of hullabaloo over this issue, Sanatan Sanstha is firm on their stand. Managing trustee of Sanatan Sanstha, Virendra Marathe says that their strict opposition to glorification of Narkasur will continue like before.
सनातन नरकासूर दहन जी कितें मोहीम आसा सनातनची चळवळ आसा तरी चालूच आसा. गेल्या वर्सा पर्यंत आमी राबयली, ह्या वर्सा आमी ती राबयतले आमच्या परीन.
Marathe informed that their opposition will be within the framework of the constitution. Further, he said, police, administration and municipalities will be involved in the process.
धार्मिक उत्सवातील गैरप्रकार जे आसा ते रोखपाचो यत्नगिरी आमी 10 वर्सां करता. आनी हो सगळो जो कितें चळवळ चालू आसा ही सनदशीर मार्गान चालू आसा. लोकशाही तत्वानुसार, कायद्यानुसार जे कितें करपाक जाय तेच आमी करता. जे प्रबोधन करपाक जाय, जे कितें पोस्टर लावपाक जाय किंवा निवेदनां दिवपाक जाय तातूंत आमी शासनाकूय सहभागी करून घेता. पोलीस आसा, जिल्हाधिकारी कार्यालय आसा, सगळ्यांक सहभागी करून घेता. मुन्सिपाल्टीनूय आमी दिता.
Our reporters Lokik Shilkar and Uday Parab with video journalist Sushant Pal.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.